about microgreens. Microgreens are simple green or herb. Micro is small and green is plant. So microgreens are small plants. They are harvested when they are quite young. They are very easy to grow. Does not require much space, water, sunlight or soil to grow. It does not require much effort or time. Microgreens are full of nutrients. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and enzymes. I have grown these microgreens in a plastic box without soil. With this simple method, you can have a year-round of microgreens in the kitchen counter. Thank you for watching